Hey guys, welcome back to GOP Bass Lessons. Today is the second lesson of the GOP, okay? So if you haven't watched the first lesson, that is a lesson 1, just click on this link. It will take you direct to the lesson 1. Go check it out, and I did a little explanation of what the GOP means, okay? So this is the second lesson. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment, okay? So guys, let's begin with the breakdown. We'll be looking at this key, that is your key C, okay? And the progression we'll be looking today is your 7, your 3, and your 6, okay, on key C. Okay, so I'll try and break the video, that is a lesson down, and I'll also leave the audio, that is a backing track, in my group. So if you haven't joined my group, you will see the link in the comment section below or in the description, or you can see the link here. Click the link and go download it for free and practice with it, okay? So on key C, we will move to the La, and this is where we will apply the natural minor scale, okay? It is very, very easy. I once did a video on that, on how to use, or like on how to create fills using this scale, okay? You can see the link here, go check it out, okay? And let's say on your La is where we will apply the natural minor scale. Okay, the natural minor scale is having like 6 shapes, okay? So if you want to know more, you can DM me on my private chat, okay? But I will show you the one shape, and we will use this one shape to groove with it, okay? So let's say I'll mention the notes in the normal major scales notes, okay? On your La, T, and your Do, okay? And your Re, Mi, Fa, okay? And we have the Sol, La, okay? So if you descend, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, okay? Remember that we are playing on key C. Do, Ti, La, okay? Okay, so let me try and break down the groove for you and let you understand it very well, so that in case you can also create your own groove using this scale, okay? So first, what you need to know is your root and your octave on the scale. Your root and your octave, that is your La and your La, okay? Your 6 and your 6, okay? So it goes like this. Okay, so the progression we'll be looking today is this, and this. That is your T, Mi, La, okay? Your 7, 3, and your La. That is your T, Mi, and your La, okay? So this is the starting point, your T. We continue on Mi, and we end on the La. Okay, so let's say bam, bam, bam. Okay, so let's start from the ending, then we'll continue, then we end, okay? So okay, that is your La, La, So, La, 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 ghost note, So, La, ghost note, La. Okay. Okay, so now let's move to your T. Then you play Do, Ti. Okay. Okay, remember that we are on the natural minor scale. Okay, so bam, bam. Okay, so now to your Mi, that is your here, that is your 3, and then you play bam, 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 Do, Ti, Re, Mi. Okay, Re, Mi, So, La, 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 So, La, La, Do, Ti, Ti. Okay, re mi ti, so la la, so la la. Okay, so now let's come in to licks in the groove. Okay, so it goes like this. The lick. Okay, so it's very easy, and in this lick I was playing the arpeggios. Okay, if you don't know anything about the arpeggios, I'll try and do a lesson on that. Okay, so it goes like this. That is your la, fa, re. Okay, la, fa, re, mi, do, la. Okay, so on your root la, then you play re, mi, la, ti. Okay, you see. Okay, so if you have, or if you know any progression that is going from la to your T, you can do it. Okay, so la, fa, re, mi, do, la, re, mi, la, ti. Then you continue with the groove. Okay, and I play the second lick goes like this. Okay, so la, mi, so, mi, re. Then you slide. You do your vibrato here, yeah. So la, mi, so, mi, re, vibrato. Okay, do, so, do, ti. Okay, ti, fa, mi. Okay, ti. Okay, ti, fa, mi, so, la, la. Okay. Okay. Okay, so try and play around with this, your natural minor scale. Okay, so the more you be playing around these scales, it will be giving you, to be opening your ears on these scales more and more often. Okay, so I think this is what I will break it down for you today, and I'll be seeing you on the GOP lesson 3 this Monday, next Monday coming. Okay, so bye for now.